All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man, Jay Will. So I got the new soDrop Pros in from Ghostek. This is their newer model of these headphones, and we're going to talk about it in this video. So Bluetooth 4.1, Bluetooth up to 30 feet, it says. Active noise cancellation. You can connect to two devices. That's getting pretty common now. And it says it has crystal clear sound, but you've got a leather top here for this portion here on the top. Leather headphone and ear cups. So they're both leather on there. You got a folding hinge on there. Multifunction buttons like most Bluetooth. HD mic for voice calls, which would be nice. LED and battery indicator. 3.5mm jack with cable. Turns off ANC. Okay, so you got the active noise cancellation button on there, which is number 7 right there. Probably makes a world of difference. And these have 50mm drivers, so this is going to be interesting because I have a lot of headphones, and let's see how these stack up. My current top headphones, I would say, for over the ear are Gig Audio. I think they're a great set of headphones. Done plenty of videos on them. Let's pop these open here. Get these out. Yeah, definitely got a leather cup. And here's nice. Oh wow, this is a nice leather pouch. The pouch alone gets points for me. So here's the audio jack here, the adapter you can put in if you're going in for some high-res audio. Got the dual split there, a charger, and this leather bag is absolutely nice. It's got a nice material on the inside to protect them. Wow, we got to showcase that. That's nice. And here are the headphones. Got a little bit of weight to them. Yeah, leather all around these things. Nice, soft, comfortable feel to them. Got the folding design as advertised. Here's the active noise cancellation button. Speaker, mic, menu, track, and volume more than likely. Got some soDrop branding on there. This is where you charge, and this is where you plug in your 3.5mm headphone jack. So it's looking pretty good. So let's give these a test run. Let's test them out. We'll get some pairing going on here. All right, so they're paired up here. Now let's get a quick sound test for you. Well, they definitely sound really clear, like advertised. They're very comfortable, man, and they cover the entire ear. I guess if I could say anything about these, that I'd probably not my favorite thing about them, but you can't really tell. It's this gray lining. It would have been nice to just have that a brown as well. But other than that, man, these sound really, really good. I'll test them out for phone calls later. This leather wrap band around here is looking pretty good. They look like a very premium headset, and I think they'll do very well. I'll tell you how they sound against some of my favorite other headphones later on down the line with some testing. But it's your man Jay Will. These are the soDrop Pros, and I think you'd probably like these. Got a little battery indicator on the side right here. Let you know how much battery is left. It's a multifunction button also. So playing, you can see it pause and plays. And you got your track and volume with those. And the active noise cancellation button, you know, I really can't test it in here because it's super quiet in here, but I'll let you know in an updated video. This is just the unboxing and first impressions of these right here. I still recommend a lot of headphones over spending like $1,000 on a set of headphones like some people do, 500. But I do have something coming that's a pretty expensive set of headphones because I wanted to get something that with a good audio sound. But we'll see how I feel about those. But for now, this is the Ghostek soDrop Pros. What do you guys think of these? Do they look cool? They actually sound really, really good. It's your man Jay Will. I'll see you in the next video.